So in the given question, the pair of linear equations 3x by 2 plus 5y by 3 equals to 7 and 9x plus 10y equals to 14 is. We have to find out whether it is consistent, inconsistent, consistent with one solution or consistent with many solutions. So for that, we will find out the ratios of a1 by a2, that is 3 by 2 by 9, which will be 3 by 18, 1 by 6, b1 by b2, that will be 5 by 3 by 10, that will be 5 by 30, which will also be 1 by 6, and c1 by c2, that will be 7 by 14, which will be 1 by 2. So a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, which will be a case of inconsistent. So answer is inconsistent equation.